There's a couple different ways to color change. This is how I like to. I just like to work it right into my stitches. So round 4 is going to be an orange, and that will be a single crochet around. I'm going to go right into the stitch, grab your other color, and pull that right through. Now I'm going to take the orange and yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on my hook like a single crochet. Sometimes it gets loose, just pull the tail a little bit, not too tight though. Then I'll typically cut the original color, leaving a tail. Then I work the tails into the stitches just to secure them. We're just single crocheting around, so insert your hook and make sure the stitches are here when you pull the yarn. Then when you yarn over, they're in between. I do this in the next few stitches just to secure them more, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. You don't want to see especially the white there, so to help that, just give it a little pull to make sure no loose tail is hanging out. And then to get this out of the way, I'm just going to trim it a little bit because it's already secured in. And that is a color change.